Do you want to earn real money by playing games? Yes, you heard it right. Imagine a world where your gaming skills translate into more than just bragging rights. Welcome to the Daily Game app, a platform bursting with a plethora of games across various genres. From puzzles to arcade, strategy to trivia, it's a one-stop hub for all your gaming needs. And the best part, not only does it promise endless hours of fun, but it also offers real rewards. Now you must be wondering how to earn coins in this app. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, you earn coins simply by playing games. It's as easy as that. Picture this. You're having a blast playing a game on the Daily Game app, and with every passing minute, you're not only enjoying yourself, but you're also accumulating coins. Yes, you heard that right. Every minute you spend immersed in a game, you're essentially earning. Now you might be wondering, what's the deal with these coins? Well, here's the exciting part. These aren't just any ordinary coins. These coins have actual value. You can convert these coins into real, tangible money. So in essence, you're having fun and making money at the same time. It's a win-win situation. No tricks, no gimmicks. Just play, earn, and convert. It's as straightforward as that. But wait, there's more. Let's explore other ways you can earn coins. Apart from playing games, there are several other ways to earn coins in the Daily Game app. Let's dive right into them. First off, we have daily scratch cards. Picture this. You log in daily, you grab a scratch card, you scratch away, and voila! You've got yourself some extra coins. It's as simple and as fun as that. Remember, consistency is key here. The more regular you are, the more coins you'll accumulate. Next up, we have surveys. These are short, straightforward questionnaires that give you a chance to voice your opinion on a range of topics. And the best part? You get rewarded with coins for your time and input. It's a win-win situation, really. Then we have what's known as offer walls. These are essentially promotional offers that you can complete to earn more coins. They could involve anything from watching a video to downloading a new app. It's a diverse and ever-changing landscape, so there's always something new for you to explore. Last but certainly not least, there's the lucky draw. This is your chance to hit the jackpot and earn a substantial amount of coins. You never know when Lady Luck might smile at you. So, as you can see, multiple ways are available for you to earn coins and ultimately, real money. Now that you know how to earn real money by playing games, what are you waiting for? It's not every day you come across an opportunity that combines fun and profitability in such a seamless way. The Daily Game app is not just another mobile application, it's your gateway to a world where gaming takes on a whole new meaning. Imagine playing games of your choice from a vast collection whenever you want and wherever you are. And the best part, you're earning real money while doing so. From action-packed adventures to brain-teasing puzzles, there's something for everyone. And the earning doesn't stop at gameplay. There are daily scratch cards, surveys, offer walls, and lucky draws for even more earnings. So why wait? Step into the world of the Daily Game app, where every minute spent gaming is a minute spent earning. Download the Daily Game app, play games, earn real money, and make your gaming experience more exciting than ever. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Happy gaming and earning!